and we're over in a MORANT. We are talk with the fruits man because him live in the community.
Alright, this water now, when it needs to come up the road,
Yeah.
up the road, it go across the road.
It go.
What you say now? Them block up in there.
Oh, the gutter there already?
Yeah.
I really up here so the problem start. And we are enter the entrance and Mis Lynn. So right at the entrance of your yard, you have a swimming pool. Some viewers and sub, we do it in a MORANT where we all look on Mis Lynn place, but we just look on the water issue. We are come off of the road. So what you say now?
Alright, this water now, when it needs to come up the road,
Yeah.
up the road, it go across the road.
It go cross the road.
Yeah. Now that the man them come, them block up what they say, it figure
Yeah.
more than how it used to block up already.
Oh, so it no longer cross over.
No, it now go cross over again.
Okay.
So this now when the water cover the road, now rain fall and the water full up.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
so the problem start up here, so really?
Yeah.
I really up here so the problem start.
Yeah.
Because the water come down now and it a coming on the lining.
Yeah.
And it's second and now we have to take it off of the road.
Half of the road. So
Yeah. So what they might need, you know that little gutter thing where they used to make cross the road?
the right here is a seat where you set there.
Oh, yeah.
What you say now? Them block up in there.
Oh, the gutter there already?
Yeah, then dump up.
Oh.
So the whole dump up more.
Them dump it up so the water can't cross.
Yeah, because the block up a man already, you know.
Yeah, so then they never clear it.
Yeah, nobody clear it.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So I just decide
So
problem.
I really it a flood out Mis Lynn down there in the long run.
Yes,
Because when the water come down,
Yeah.
it can't get figure underneath the road up by that side.
Yeah.
So it go along the roadway and then it end up all of the houses them on that side now.
Yes.
Flood out.
Flood out.
Alright. So no nobody can come. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah man. So my viewers, thank you for the reason here, mommy. And so we're there here now and we're over in a MORANT. And can we come to take a first and look at exactly where we're going. And we are talking with the fruits man because him live in the community, so him know exactly what take place. And away from the drain block up because I know them eventually now, like how them see me on the road, I deal with it. I know them are eventually now come and sort it out. But how the little business are going out here, man?
Go and go so far in the car. It don't have a thief, nobody. You understand?
No, but that is good, you know.
So
That is great.
that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm a thief, a man thing now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guy thing.
Yeah.
Just work with them in house.
Yeah, because I see say you have fruits, you have melon, you have apple,
Yeah, man.
and maybe you have all. You want the ripe banana, you have to have ripe banana out here, you know.
I don't sell the artificial right now, them know. If I'm not gross shell, I just sell it, you know.
If I'm not gross, oh. So if I'm the natural thing, you know, bother with it.
Yeah, it never been there, see me.
So people, when they in a MORANT, you can't stop. When them call you look a corner?
Me?
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
You know, Andre, you know, they call me Arnett, you see me?
Arnett.
Yeah.
So you can stop on Arnett corner, people.
Yeah.
Because one thing, you know, you see my fans them, you see anywhere me video and direct them, when them a pass, them a stop and them a shop.
Yeah.
And more you get a fridge, come mommy, come and talk with me, because I say you want. Huh? What?
Where's about fridge?
No, more you get a fridge and get some jelly.
No, look at the jelly.
Yeah.
I feel my dad on youth yet.
Then a whole part that I drive past at daytime, man.
Jelly, man, I feel my dad on youth yet, because
Yeah.
jelly I got self in the gas.
No, but when I say, you kind of have to style around it, like, you know, if a man want a coke and jelly coke and he can't get it. You need the pan jelly.
Let's go and go.
So, okay, so I'm the key in it. You want to get some
sell
key?
key neither.
Okay, so you
Alright, you see,
yeah.
like, it's a certain thing now, we're in a St. Thomas,
Yeah.
you have to try sell it.
Oh,
You don't have money and
understand.
fight.
I understand where you say
me?
no.
So, if I go buy a jelly for that man, I go pay 3,000 to climb a tree.
Yeah,
I go buy a jelly for a purse to see him.
Yeah.
I want to give me 200 off one jelly when
Yeah,
we're done.
yeah.
But I say that I got turning me 250 or 300.
Yeah, me understand.
You
So
understand?
everybody have a jelly tree in the
Everybody
yard.
have jelly tree.
Yeah.
You understand?
So me understand. Me understand the whole
me
thing.
have cheap on my property.
Yeah, me understand.
So you know, no vehicle. You understand?
Yeah, can look on a tree across the side. Load the demon.
Alright.
Right, so, load the demon.
So I think there's something.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's try to say something where someone can plant in the yard easy.
Yeah, me understand.
You sell when can't catch.
Yeah.
You sell them apple when can't catch. Because
Yeah.
apple can't pass your
So,
boat, you know.
so what you have to do now, you have to look some unusual fruits.
Yeah.
So when a man see it, him have to stop.
Yeah.
Me understand the
He
whole
sell
thing.
jackfruit, you know, you see me?
Yeah, because you know, woman love it.
Yeah, but me not sell jelly, brother.
Yeah, me understand. All right, my brethren.
Jelly, brother.
Thanks for the reasoning. I'm going to go cross. I'm going to look for Miss Lynn place
Yeah,
now.
man.
Because Miss Lynn,
Miss
when me
Lynn, we start a bit
look,
too.
Miss Lynn look like she did a lot, they down.
Okay.
And she treat the down,
Yeah.
the whole of the water come down upon her.
Yeah, man, a mosquito killer in it too.
All right, no so nothing. All right. Some of viewers and some, me I go cross over Miss Lynn. Me I go reason with Miss Lynn, because she dip on the main road, and me see a sign out here on the main road, and it mark heavy duty vehicle. Yeah. So, my viewers, you know, so when you're up on them road, you have to look out for all of them vehicle there, up there. And we have come across right in the vicinity here, where we see it dig up. As you can see, my viewers and sub, it dig up and stop. Yeah, it dig up and stop. And Miss Lynn, come cross and come show me what I go on now. Watch your step. Watch your, remember say you're not young again and thing. And we are enter the entrance and Miss Lynn. But me learn a lot, hold on Miss Lynn, me learn a lot of things. Me go up the road a while ago. There is a section up there where block, where the water have to go underneath the road. Through that section not available, the whole of the water come down the road for you. Yeah.
Because there was a culvert up there.
Yes, and them not clean it. Yes, can me see it, it full up, it want clean. So the authorities need to feel clean it. So right at the entrance of your yard, you have a swimming pool. My God. So me have to be careful how me I walk now to come in your yard. So, Miss, as you can see, my viewers and sub, to enter in a Miss Lynn yard is a swimming pool. So Miss Lynn, them turn your yard in a pool. You understand? Water around everywhere in your yard. And as me I go around to the side of your house, as you can see, you have a swamp. And your tree them look like them enjoy the water the way the swamp upon them enough. So Miss Lynn, if you never have this house, this board house here upon concrete, it would have gone already, you know?
Of course.
It would have gone already, man. Some of viewers and sub, me
No,
there.
I never used to come round here, sir.
Yeah,
no year, sir.
No we here, so. So me there in a Miss Lynn yard, and as you can see, me I show you Miss Lynn yard full of water. And then the water now, it penetrates our yard and it gone over to the next door neighbor property. And the good thing is that the only good thing we can say about the whole thing is that you say the mosquito them not really bother you. Which is unusual.
See me sun them me buy.
Yeah.
See me black them there.
Yeah.
And me can't do nothing.
Okay, you plan for
See the sun and soak down.
Yeah.
In the mud.
Because you plan
14,000 water sun. They see they take one of them.
14,000 water sun. And so you plan to upgrade the board house. No, me know them things there. Me know them things there. And me really and truly glad for the look of opportunity you give me to walk around your yard to see what go on in your yard, people. Because we must have sympathy. Look on the outside, people. You see it? It's soak. It's soak. So Miss Lynn, all you know, tell me you're supposed to pray for rain or fall. You're supposed to live and pray for rain or fall. And you know everybody else want rain, but you're supposed to do and say, Father God, no say no rain. Because I guess me go flood out. Yeah, so me there are MORANT people. Me there Miss Lynn yard. But me can't walk past it, so. Right, you know, me not go walk there, so. Better me go around the house. So, no look for visitor, nobody can come look for you. Because you're under water, you're under swamp. Yeah, so you have to take up your clothes and carry them go out on the main, go dress and put them on. Yeah. 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 Oh boy. See there? Right in front of her. Oh, so you have to wear plastic shoes. Yeah.
Don't run about the slippers in my bag. That's if I got MORANT.
Yeah.
I take off this.
Yeah.
And be the one.
Alright, Miss Lynn. So stand up right there so now, Miss Lynn. You can see your face nice and decent. And we'll get the picture of what go on. And what you have to tell the authorities now, because they look directly upon you. That video you know, I come in and you come exactly in your community, I come in your yard and I come look upon the flight I walk on with the water issue. Them are going to solve it now, because once them look and say Bigsuper highlight it, them not going to want no more blogger, them not going to want TVJ, them not going to want the rest of the radio station and run come enough up on it. Okay. So them are going to run come clear. At the gully up there, so really I cause it now. Because the gully block, the drain block. The one that run underneath the road and it has send on the whole of the water down here. When the water come down, it can't get figure under. Because the water up there, when you look at the brother gate, it high so. It now go down. It need to clear. So they have to put a team on it to get it clear. So what you have to tell the world now?
So how that me have to tell the world?
Yeah.
Would I like the water come out of my yard immediately?
Yeah.
Immediately, because I have over 8 months now I live with this.
Yeah.
Over 8 months now.
Yeah.
And I can't live with it no more.
No longer.
December coming and my birthday, the 23rd.
And we want to keep on birthday party for you, so we can't have no water in the place like this. Stagnant. Although the good thing is that the water run, but we can't have water run to your yard. You understand?
It's very tree.
Yeah.
And he used to feed me.
Yeah.
I could pick up 1 and 2 and sell.
Yeah.
He can't go there now.
Yeah.
So me potato out them, you have to draw them up.
Yeah.
Me use up. You see the flowers in around here. So
Yeah.
and flowers.
Yeah.
See them? Dead stuff.
Boy, oh boy. So, my viewers and sub, as you can see, we're there at Mis Lynn yard. And we are go back. Tell me something, potato love water? Or you don't love too much water?
Not too much.
Because this is more than water, you know. My viewers and sub. This is more than water. So, we come out on the main road, people. 2 river Mis Lynn, so we have to cross before we go in our yard. We come out on the main road and we come and we highlight our flight that you guys could exactly see what go on. 12 minutes past 11 people, October the 30th, 2023. And you know say it's hot in Jamaica. Don't care what time of day, it's hot. And Mis Lynn, what me really and truly observe about Mis Lynn yard is that our yard is over. You know the yard them there below the road. So you see when the yard them where they below the road, if them not have a good retaining wall system at them yard, you know them are gonna have issue. And then you know really have the strength of cash have a good wall. And then now the drain will block up at the fruits man further up the road. It has send the water come down the road. So you just imagine when rain fall, everybody on the side there underwater. Some of you viewers, I hope you understand Mis Lynn flight and fill up the comment section and make me know exactly what you think about all of this with Mis Lynn. For now, Bigsuper out in MORANT. And MORANT is a nice, beautiful farming community, you know. Big up the people in MORANT and thing. And open up on yourself a wonderful, wonderful day. And blessed Christmas coming up. And Mis Lynn will remind me that Christmas will come up soon. So bless up Christmas will coming up. Bigsuper out in MORANT saying peace out.